What's good? Rohit back with another video, and today got the truck. It's a little dirty. Oh, I got dirty again. But on the way to go do some work. Also, y'all can see on the road now. You can see no more snow, but I mean there's a little bit of snow still, but y'all hear it? Gotta love that. I got this thing in 2-wheel drive. Well, that thing sounds good. Alright, y'all, so we're just gonna go ahead and pass over here. Hopefully nobody pulls out. And stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, buddy. We ain't about to do all this today. Look at that big truck. I'm gonna race him. Watch this. Hey, truck. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. We're about to race. Oh. Oh my god. This thing is driving so good. Oh, let's go. Let's do a not tunnel. Sorry, bridge. Oh yeah, it's got a bite to it. It's got a bite to it. That's for sure. All right, this is the truck that I was like going super fast. I need you to move, sir. From Arkansas. Buddy needs to get out of the way, like for real right now. I need you out. I need you to get out of the way. No, you're not gonna move? Oh, no, you are. Thank you. I appreciate you. You know, I like people to do that like that. They move over when you want them to. It's like really good. But it's like... cars in front are going fast. Okay, but I can reach them. Can't even reach those people in front. They're going pretty fast. I ain't gonna lie. Go this way. Excuse me. Okay, ooh, look at the Corvette. I mean, Camaro. What am I saying? Corvette. Nah, that ain't no Corvette. That's a Camaro. One car I've never owned, a Camaro. I've had the Mustang, I've had the Challenger and Charger, but I've never had a Camaro. That's the only muscle car I didn't go for. Do we even call Camaros muscle cars at this point? I don't know. And Mustangs as well, probably not. But you know, we're just gonna call it that, I guess. All right. The traffic. This guy in front. You're too slow, my guy. You have to go. You're going like crazy slow. All right, buddy. You better not be getting off the highway. Nope, thank you. Drive faster. It'll make you have more fun driving. I mean, I don't know. Turning on the road. Got my big truck. Got a bed in the back. Got everything I need. You know, I need all the carrying stuff. I don't know. I've never hauled anything with this truck yet, but I'm sure there will be a time it'll come. I'm sure of it. Get this light. I'm not gonna wait. Come on, push. You can go closer. That other car in front should go closer. But Lambo. Oh, nah, there's a Lambo? I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy. I have never seen a Lambo around here. That thing looked nice though. That's definitely one of my dream cars, but at the same time, I feel like a Lambo is just like, it can't compete with a Mopar. But I want still a Hellcat. I don't really want, if you gave me the choice, Lambo or Hellcat, I'm going Hellcat. Sorry. I just love muscle cars. I need that supercharger one. But yeah, guys, if you ever see a Hellcat on this channel, just know we going to Rango Hellcat, because I cannot find Trackhawks to save my life anymore. They're just impossible to find. This guy's going that way. Fine. I'm gonna get behind you then. Trying to race? Like, get out. This guy with your Camry or Corolla, like, you need to move, but you need to move, buddy. That's for sure. All right, well, We got a whole bunch of people in front right now. Oh, he's slowing down. Good. Get out the way. There's a bunch of semis in front. Oh my God. Oof, traffic is heavy this morning. Actually, it's afternoon, but it's like crazy, this traffic. Look at the yellow Bumblebee Ram. I call every yellow I see like that a Bumblebee, because it kind of is like the Bumblebee, right? The Camaro Bumblebee, whatever they... I never watched Transformers, but I know there was a Bumblebee that was like yellow and it was a Camaro. Alright. Alrighty then. Thing sounds insanely loud. What's that thing? Oh no, the truck is coming. The truck is coming. Ah, he ain't going. Oh no, he can't. He didn't want to come here? Man, go forward. Like, what?
Bruh.
That guy, he tried to come behind or something. He tried to cut around. Oh, he's going left there. Huh? So he could have went right. But I mean, left he could have went, but you know. Hey. Hey, buddy. No. You ain't doing that to me. That person tried to get in front, couldn't do it. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch you in a moment. That's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. A little POV drive for y'all. Little one, you know. Just something to get out, because, you know, today I don't have much content for you guys, but POVs I know I can always bring for y'all. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, because we're almost to 1,000. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.